In this video, I show you how to change your age on Roblox Kids and Roblox Select. Start by going to the More page in the Roblox app, then tap Settings. Find and open the Account Info section. Scroll down until you see the Birthday option, then tap the Edit button next to it. Change your birthday. Depending on your account and the age you are trying to change it to, you may be asked to get permission from a parent or verify your age with an ID. Close the message. Now you have two ways to change your age. The first option is to tap the Continue button and follow the steps to complete the age verification. This will place your account into the age group Roblox believes you belong to and update your age. The second option is to open Parental Controls from the side menu. Tap the Add Parent button. Enter your parent's email address in the box, then tap the Send Email button. Your parent will then need to open the email, click the link, and either create an account or sign into an existing one. Tap Agree. Change the birthday, then tap Continue when finished. However, they may still need to verify their age if they have not already done so. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful.